Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today Appa has a very beautiful Hai Di Ji here with me. It's a very popular deep sea fish all the way from Sabah. Now I'm going to I'm going to just steam it. The meat is very tender and very sweet. I'm going to show you a very easier, creative way on how you can actually steam your fish and allow the fish to stand by its own. So first of all, of course, you want to make sure the fish is nicely clean, especially the fish kidney, which is the middle part here. The middle part here will normally have some blood stain. That is the fish kidney, and you need to remove it. Usually there could be some membrane here covering it. Remove the membrane, remove the blood stain. That is the source of fishiness. That's the first thing you need to remove. If you don't remove it, you steam this fish will turn out to be fishy. Okay. Then after that, wash it, and then of course make sure it is properly descaled. And then what I'm going to do here is going to do 2 cuts. Right, I have something like this. Then we're going to turn this side. I'm going to cut it in somewhere in around the half, maybe a little bit more than half towards the head side. Cut it in the middle like that, and we are going to slit it to behind, because we are going to use the fish meat itself, the fish body itself, to allow it to stand by its own. Here, we're going to do the same. Okay. So let me show you. So now we have the steaming plate, and this is the fish we cut just now. This side, you will notice you actually open up like this. So we are going to let it stand by itself. See? The moment it can stand by itself, you don't have to put any chopstick or what to raise the fish anymore. Very simple, isn't it? Then I'm going to marinate it with a little bit of fine salt, yeah. In Chinese, we always like to allow the fish to really raise out. Yeah? It brings good fortune. Put some ginger slices on top, at the bottom as well. And then it's ready for the steamer. Look at how beautiful it is. Very simple, isn't it? So once you have preheated your steamer to at least 100 degrees Celsius and above, you can put in the fish and let it steam for probably about 10-11 minutes. Yeah, this fish is a little bit thick. Yeah, probably about 700-800 grams. While waiting, I'm going to show you how to make a steamed fish sauce. Super steamed fish sauce. So I have some hot water here. Yeah, some light soy sauce, a little bit of sugar, a little bit of white pepper, and some flavoring oil. I'm using garlic oil. You can use sesame, but I prefer garlic oil especially for fish. Just mix everything up, then very fragrant steamed fish sauce is ready to be used. And I have also prepared some fried garlic at the side. Alright, this is about 11 minutes. Let's see if my fish is still standing strong. Let's open the lid first. Wow. Can you see the fish? Let me zoom in a bit and focus. Right. It is definitely still standing very strong. Oh, look at how beautiful it is. Now we can carefully take it out. Right, so here's the fish taken out from the steamer, and you see a lot of fishy water here. We don't want all this fishy water. That is also the source of fishiness. So you got 2 options. Either very carefully remove the fish or pour away the fishy water, or you just move the whole fish to a new serving plate. Alright, I just removed the fishy water. Next thing, you're going to pour the steamed fish sauce all over the fish. Wow, very fragrant. And Put in the fried garlic. Scallion. And some chili padi. All right, there you go. That's how simple it is to make a beautiful steamed fish at home. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Fish fan page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Enjoy your dinner with your family.